You want more people to subscribe to your YouTube channel, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to add a subscribe button directly to your videos. All right, so YouTube's made this really simple. From your YouTube channel, go ahead and click on Customize Channel. This is going to bring you into the YouTube studio, and then from here, it's very simple to go and add your watermark. Now you'll see at the top it says channel customization, and then you see layout, branding, and basic info. We just want to click on branding. You'll see the opportunity to change your profile picture, your banner image, and then down here at the bottom we have video watermark. This subscribe button is actually a video watermark. So what you want to do is come in here. You're probably going to have something that looks like this where it's empty, and you want to click on upload. That's going to prompt you to locate a file on your local machine to put in as your subscribe button. So you're going to navigate to your subscribe button, highlight it, and click open. It's going to show you you have this crop feature. You should have an image that's exactly the right size, and it will fit here. So all you have to do is click done, and then you'll see it in the little preview down here. Now, anytime your video plays, you're going to see the subscribe button on the video in the lower right-hand corner. And when somebody hovers over that, they're going to then get a pop-up that allows them to subscribe to your channel. Now, you may have seen when I went in here to add that option that I have a variety of different subscribe buttons available here. Told you this video was going to be really quick. I would appreciate you clicking that like button, letting others know about this video by sharing it on social media and with your YouTube friends so we can get the word out on how to add a subscribe button to get you every subscriber you deserve.